Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting class 12 vector algebra. This is part 1, so don't miss it. Watch and enjoy this lecture. Let me ask you two simple questions. What is your height? Most people might answer, my height is 1.6 meters. Simple, right? Now let's look at another question. How should a football player pass the ball to a teammate? Can we answer this by simply saying, use a force of 20 units? Not really. Because something important is missing. The direction. The player must know not only how hard to kick the ball, but also where to kick it. Now compare these two answers. In the first question, the answer was 1.6 meters. It only tells us the size or amount of something. In mathematics, this size is called magnitude. Quantities that have only magnitude are called scalars. For example, length, mass, time, distance, speed, area, volume, temperature, work, money, voltage, density, and resistance, all these quantities need only a value. No direction is required. Now let's come back to the football example. To pass the ball successfully, the player needs two pieces of information. First, how much force should be applied? And second, in which direction should the ball move? A quantity that has both magnitude and direction is called a vector. Some common examples of vectors are displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight, and so on. So remember this simple rule. If a quantity has only magnitude, it is called a scalar. If a quantity has both magnitude and direction, it is called a vector. Vectors play a very important role in mathematics, physics, and engineering because many real-life situations involve direction as well as magnitude. But this is only the beginning. In this chapter, we will learn the basic concepts of vectors and understand how to perform different operations on them. So let's begin our fascinating journey into the world of vectors.